Okay, let's start from the point we stopped last session. Okay, skills, unit 4, lesson 1 and 2. Inventions for a sustainable future. Sustainable means to last for a long time. Sustainable means environmentally friendly. So, inventions for a sustainable future, that means green, green devices or something like this, like electric bus or something. Our world has Luigi.
Our world has many problems. We need new ways to help us take care of our planet and fix some of the problems it faces. Here are some exciting new inventions which will help us. Eco ATMs. We use regular ATMs to take money out of or put money into our banks. Eco-friendly ATMs help us recycle electronic devices. When you put your old device in it, the machine tells you how much money you can have for it. You can keep the money or give it to a charity. Tree planting project. When we go online, we see online advertisements. Some search engines give the money they get from advertisements to help tree planting projects around the world. Plant based batteries. Scientists are developing batteries that work using materials from plants. That way, these batteries are made as better for the environment than traditional batteries in the future. They could even produce even power to run electric cars. Solar powered airplanes. Most airplanes aren't good for our planet. Solar powered airplanes fly using power that comes from solar panels. It is very clean power. The planes can fly around the world. Day or night, it's an exciting new invention for the future.
Okay, ocean cleanup project.
Ocean cleanup projects. The world's oceans are full of plastic, which is very bad for the life in the ocean. Ocean cleanup projects collect rubbish in the water, then ships take it back to land for recycling.
Now this ATMs, eco ATMs machines, you can put your old devices like a mobile device, and the machine will tell you is how much your device is. So you can take the money or you can give it to a charity. This is eco ATMs. Tree planting projects, plant-based batteries. Batteries uses Batteries use planets as a material to generate or to produce electricity. So it is in uh, has or have or I mean, if a battery has no emission, carbon emission, zero carbon or free carbon uh, device. Solar powered airplanes. If we use a plane with solar power, so it can fly for a very long time, for months. So it's clean. Also. It has no emission or it doesn't pollute the environment. Ocean cleanup project. Ships take rubbish from the ocean and send it to us or to to shore for recycling. Now, Lamar, Amira, can you tell me how to use the video call application?
Can you tell me how to use the video call app? Sure, it's really easy. Switch on your laptop. Done. What's next? Open the video call program. And don't forget to connect your headphones. Okay. Then click the address book. Is it on Right of my screen? No, it is on the left. Next, find the name you want. I found near mine. What now? Finally, just click on her name to call her. Remember to open your become
Webcam.
too. Thank you, Sam. Yeah.
Mira and Samia were talking about how to use an application. So she wanted to call someone. She called Nermeen at the end, and she told them not to forget or to remember to open her webcam so as to see each other. Lamar.
Hi, Salim. Thanks for telling me about app Earther. I'm excited. No problem. I can show you how to use it if you want. Have you got the app on your phone yet? Yes, I have. I want to try it now. Show me how to use it. Okay, first tap the app. To open it, can you see the camera icon? Here, yes. Press on the icon for 1 second and it will open your photos. Don't stop pressing. Wait until they open. Then choose a photo you want to change. Right here is a photo of my cat Fluffy. Sweet, you have a black cat. Do you want to make it another color? Okay, open the color bar and choose the color you want. Haha, I have a purple cat. What about these effects? Look, I can use the easier to take away. Your bed, you look like you're flying now. How can I save the photo? Keep your finger on the photo and drag it to the save folder. Now share it with me. Please, I love it. I will, thanks, I will. Thanks, Salim.
Okay. Now, this app you can anyone can install it on his or her mobile. Aperture. Aperture. This application for changing photos. You can delete someone or something, or you can change the photo somehow. Okay. Skills. Use visual clues to identify a text type. The way a text looks can give us clues about what type of text it is. An infograph uses pictures, diagram, symbols. We use these in infographic. Infographic that mean pictures and information with diagrams and symbols. Key data and ideas. They present key data and ideas. They present and text is written in short and simple paragraphs. Simple paragraphs that mean not long paragraphs or very short paragraphs. Read the text again and answer the question. What kind of text is it? On page 45. So we can go back and talk about this is a dialogue. This is uh, a passage about inventions. This is about equity and this is about. So we have pictures. We have a simple paragraph about. Excuse me.
It will be diagrams.
Yes, diagrams or photos, pictures, and diagrams. Diagrams means uh, we can use a diagram like this so as give information about something. So diagram is different than picture. Okay, key vocabulary. Computers, smartphones, and laptops are modern. Uh, G,
Computers, smartphones, and laptops are modern devices.
devices. Usually,
Doing
yeah.
okay. Doing exercise regularly is very important for your fitness.
Your uh, solar-powered airplanes.
Solar powered airplanes and plant based batteries are new inventions for the future for sustainable.
Uh, Demand. I take that money out of A or N.
I will take cash money from out of an ATM
A or N.
and
N. ATM.
Dash are important organization for helping poor people. Um, charities, charities.
Here's important organization. Number six. Now I'm going to tell you why we take N here. Not because this word starts or begins with letter A, because we pronounce it A. That N.
Mister, there's no sound.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah.
Now, the word MP3 we can use A or N before three.
We will use a
No, this
NPC.
huh, this is not a consonant sound as it is appeared to you. Now when we pronounce MP3, we pronounce it as M.
Oh, so it will be an.
Okay? Uniform, uniform. Uh,
An.
uniform. No, we say O.
An.
Is a uniform, a university. Okay?
Okay.
Sound
Okay.
use a or n according to the sound, not according to the letter. Okay?
Solar powered projects can fly around the world day or night. Projects.
Right? Can fly.
Machine.
Project, project,
Machine.
project, Machine, airplanes can fly. So solar powered airplanes, powered here is projector for planes. Powered plane uses solar to work or to turn on.
Okay.
Number seven, Luigi, we can
We can dash our problems with new inventions. We can face.
turn confront, face or confront just mean face, so confront, نواجه. Number eight, Luigi, future.
In the future, plant-based dash could even produce power to run electric cars. Batteries.
Yes, plant-based batteries. Nine, Luigi, use the eraser too.
Use the eraser to dash something in a photo. Delete.
Remove, delete or remove. Sometimes we use the preposition from after delete or remove. Something from something or delete something from. Okay. Using Lamar use, helps many people find directions for their destination. Lamar using number 10.
Using dash helps many people find direction. Using dash helps many people find directions from their destinations. Using maps.
Using map or sometimes diagrams. So diagrams can give me sometimes diagrams, uh, descriptions also.
App Editor is an app for changing photos.
Changing photos. Drama. The
Dash the app to open it. Tap the app.
app, press on.
We need dash light our home and electricity.
Electricity to light our home and use electronic devices. Luigi,
Eco ATMs are great inventions that help us dash all electronic devices. Help us recycle.
bravo. Uh, Echo ATMs is a machine or a device. I can put my mobile here, so the machine tell me how much and give me the money. Uh, I can take the money for charities, or I can take the money. So it takes these devices for recycling. Uh, Eco ATMs. Luigi.
Dash my father, I could succeed in my life. Thanks to my father.
Thanks to means because بفضل لكن thanks for something thanks for your help لكن thanks to my father, thanks to my teacher, thanks to my uh, this is this means because my father helped me, or my sister, my mother, and so on. He forgot to
He forgot to dash the alarm, so he was late for school. He forgot to set, sorry.
Okay. هي يضبط الألارم. Okay. Stimulus. Respond. Playing a guess game with your partner. These make electricity using the sun. Solar panels. These help us to take money out or put money into our banks. ATMs. They fly using power that comes from solar panels, solar powered airplanes. Lamar, read them again, please. Luigi,
Stimulus and response. These make electricity using the sun. Solar panels. These help us to take money out or put money into our banks. ATMs. These fly using power that comes from solar panels. Solar powered airplanes.
these can recycle our devices.
لا. These make electricity use the sun. Solar panels. These help us to take money out or put money into our banks. ATMs. These fly using power that comes from the solar panels. Solar powered airplanes.
These can recycle or help us recycle our old devices, our old devices. What the answer is?
Can recycle our old device electricity.
These devices can help us recycle our old devices.
Electricity.
And recycle our old devices, eco ATMs.
Okay.
Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence uh, starts or begins with infinitive plus completion. For example, open your books on page, etc. So we have here a subject, a hidden subject. Hidden subject, we don't say it. You open your box, or you will open your box. So this is a hidden subject. This is why we use the infinitive here or the present. This seems like the present. We omit you so as to be an imperative sentence, or we omit you will so as to be an imperative sentence. So the meaning of open means the future or right now or the future. We can use the negative sentence of the imperative sentence by using, we can use, by the way, we can use always do. Always, always open your books on because we can use always before the infinitive. When we use negative sentence of the imperative, we use don't or never. Don't or never. Never do or don't do. Don't open or never open. Exclamation. This is the imperative sentence. Never.
Don't use your phone here. Um, choose the photo.
3.
Do not stop.
Stop. Luigi,
I want to try the app now. Dash me how to use it. Show.
show me how to use it.
Dash and take a break when you are tired. Relax.
Relaxing time. Don't.
Don't dash the quiz with the red pen. Don't answer.
Number 7.
Make notes. Make notes. Do not spill your name. Do not spend your money on toys.
Uh, don't spend all your money on toys. Don't. Okay. Lamar,
Press.
Lucy,
Dash keeping your fingers on the photo and drag it to save the folder.
Lucy,
Dash to turn on your laptop. Turn.
turn. Lucy,
Dash use the eraser to delete something in a photo. Use.
use. Lucy,
Dash not take photographs here. Don't take.
take or not take. It is don't take. Okay. Don't. Lamar,
Don't eat. Plan.
plan.
Work.
Right?
Plan.
Work. Number 9.
Work. Don't.
Don't. Number 10.
Plant.
The imperative sentence and negative of the imperative sentence. Most of our friends this is a listening. Let's try to answer without reading the lesson.
Work. So we take this page homework. Was the other page?
Now you can read it.
So we can start with the other new lesson. Okay. What? Let's read these page number 173 and 174 homework and take the lessons 3 and 4.
Line you must do or follow some rules. Accept hacker, cyberbullying, record or record, code is verb, record noun. So it can be noun or a verb. Efficiently, that means works easily, works perfectly. Cool, technology. post, rude, adverb, rudely, hide behind, nasty, design, aim, blow. Hide is verb, hide, head, hidden. This is the conjugation of the verb. It's irregular. Hided Helen. We have hide and seek is a game. Hide and seek is a game. اللي احنا بنقول عليها الاستغماية hide and seek.
accept, hacker, cyberbullying, record, efficiently, cool, technology, post, rude, hide behind, nasty, design, aim, prove.
Okay. The new machine works.
The new machine works. Cool. Cool.
Oh, cool. That means not very cold, not very hot. Cool, something between. Cool.
Effectively.
Good result. Okay. Perfectly. Efficiently means perfectly or to give me good results. So the machine works efficiently. That means gives us good results, good products. It saves time and money. Okay, Luigi,
Mm. My dash is to win the competition. My devices.
aim is to win the competition.
A. A.
Okay. Uh, Number two is to special helps
Air conditioning helps to cool.
so could be
Rude.
some of the right? Let us cat, false name. Polly. Polly is a verb and noun. Polly, verb and a noun. Polly, the person who bullies me. Mobile phone, tablet, cyberbully, delete, deletes and behave. Behave means act or do from. Download is the opposite of upload. Friend request, characters, guess, guess the meaning, guess what, position, forever. Luigi,
Lesson 3. Account, password, false name, bully, mobile phone, tablet, cyberbully, delete, link, behavior, download, friend request, characters, guess, position, forever.
advice, top, treat, the noun of treatment, treat someone badly, for example, or ill treated. Me, that mean he insulted me for example. ill-treated me يعني عاملني معاملة سيئة. ill give the mean of bad, and mal give the meaning of bad also. Ill-treated someone or maltreated someone. Platform, press, press on something. Sea level, technological, fact, headphones, science, result, result in or result from. result in يؤدي إلى. result from ينتج عن. الاثنين عكس بعض تماما. result in يؤدي إلى. result from ينتج عن. button, button زر. maybe I have a button in my some buttons in my shirt, or buttons uh, we use on devices. Okay, Lamar.
Top tip, tweet, platform, press, headphones, sea level, science, technological, results, fact, button.
Okay. Platform, Facebook is a platform. Facebook is a platform of social media. Upset, conjugation of irregular verbs. Upset, upset, upset. Hide, hidden. Understand, understood, understood. Lose, lost, lost. Freeze, froze, frozen. Freeze, froze, frozen. Uh, Luigi.
Conjunction of irregular verbs. Present past, past participle. Upset, upset, upset. Hide, hid, hidden. Understand, understood, understood. Lose, lost, lost. Freeze, froze, frozen.
Hacker. A person or someone who uses computer to get hold of private information, to get hold of private information of other people, to steal money. uh, Post, put on social media. Nasty, very bad or unkind. Accept, agree to someone or something. Accept. Cyberbullying, treat someone badly either online or through electronic message. Hide behind. Uh, It doesn't need to explain it. Prove, to show that something is true. Aim is a goal. Phrase, to change into or to turn into ice. Cool, to lose the heat. To lose heat. Cool. Cool down means calm down. Cool down, calm down. Efficiently, quickly, and with good results. Quickly and perfectly, that means. Device is a small electronic machine. Device, small electronic machine. I don't think we need to read them back again. Post, post a command, post a photo, post a message, download an app or any material. Do jobs, do tests, do project, do research, do work, do duty, and so on. Do means act or perform. Download is that means transfer. The antonym upload, or the opposite upload. Efficiently, effectively, perfectly, awfully. Accept, agree, disagree, refuse. Appear, disappear. Come out, but here come out means to be published. We cannot use this in the passive voice. How I can say the book came out. That means the book was published. Uh, so who's published? That means the publisher or someone published this book, but here the book came out. Lamar paused.
Post. Post a comment, post a photo, post a message, download an app, do jobs, do tests, download, transfer, upload. Effectively, effectively, awfully, accept, agree, disagree, refuse, appear, come out, disappear, hide.
Uh, we know all when we add er to the as a suffix to the word, we change it to the person or thing that does this job, like work, worker, speak, speaker, and so we add ly to get the adverb of this adjective. When we add ly, that means it is adverb, an adverb. Al or cal to give an adjective like technology, we change it into adjective technological, technological, chemical, electrical, and so on. The word is the synonym of accept.
The word dash is the synonym of accept. Mm, agree.
Agree. The word is the opposite of upload.
Download.
We add the suffix to turn the word technology into an adjective.
Technological. CAL.
Okay, safe.
See, do I read?
Okay, you can read them.
Save or save? Save. These rules keep you safe. Save. Online shopping can save time. The brave man saved a girl from drowning. Bullies, hackers, bullies write bad comments on their friends online. Hackers can use their personal information to hurt them. Cyberbullying or Kimberly. Kimberlying is a big problem for young people. What to do? Kimberlys use when they post horrible messages online.
Cyber, cyberbullying, 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 cyberbullying. الإنترنت طبعا cyberbullying التنمر عبر الإنترنت cyber means related to the internet. Keep safe. Explain. G.
Expressions and prepositions. Stay safe means keep safe. Hard to guess, get hold of, spend a lot of money, get tired. On the other hand, In other words, in short, a mix of, turn into, click on, chat with, delete from, careful of, as a result of.
Uh, in other words, to give the same exact uh, meaning of the previous line in other words or in a simple way. So I say in other words, that means I am going to talk about what I said before, but in simple language or in simple way to make it more clear to the reader. In other words, in short, you can use in short at the end of a paragraph. End of paragraph, I can say to conclude. To conclude, this is the conclusion. So the paragraph, introduction, the body, and the conclusion. The conclusion I can say to conclude and say the conclusion I want. The conclusion and the introduction are very simple without details. No details in the introduction. Introduction. The conclusion. All details are in the body of the paragraph or email. So we have an introduction and conclusion. The conclusion we can say to conclude. In conclusion, in conclusion, we can say in short instead of to conclude or in conclusion. We can say to summarize. We can say to sum up. To to sum up. That means I am going to talking. I'm going to talk briefly about the whole paragraph, and I am going to put my advice or recommendation. Put here my advice or my recommendation or my call. Sometimes, sometimes my opinion. So the conclusion has the opinion or has a call for a solution, a call for يعني مناشدة أو بنطلب مثلا الشعب والجمهور والدولة يتحدوا مع بعض لحل مشكلة يبقى إيه a call for a solution for a problem. So this is uh, to sum up, to sum up at the end of the paragraph. That means in short, that means to conclude. In conclusion, on the other hand, I can say use if I am going to talk about a paragraph has, for example, pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages. Okay, this way I can say on one hand, I start a paragraph here. On one hand, and I talk about the positive things about the item I am talking about. After I finish this, on the other hand, on on the other hand, comma, and I put here the negative things. So this is a paragraph and this is another paragraph. We talk about 2 points. One, the first one for the positive things, the second one for the negative things. So we can use on one hand, on the other hand, comma, comma. Okay. As a result, or as a result of the result, as a result, full stop. As a result, as a result, comma, sentence. That means subject, verb, and completion. As a result, res- uh, as a result of, followed by verb plus ing or phrase or noun. This is a preposition is followed by, so we don't have a sentence here, but we have a sentence after as a result, comma, as a result of phrase, noun or verb plus ing. As a result of كنتيجة ل. As a result كنتيجة لذلك. So as a result is followed by the result. So the second action, not the first action. The reason or first action is before. That means we can use so instead of as a result. We can use that's why instead of as a result. Or we can use in the same way. Remember, click on turn something into dama. That means to transfer or to change something into another thing. Careful of or careful about, delete from, chat with somebody, reading an article, staying safe online. See, Lamar, Lamar.
An article. Staying safe online. When you go online to send messages, play video games, download an app, or just click your social media, it's important to remember a few simple rules that can keep you safe. Choose strong password. It's important to use a password that is a fix of letters, numbers, and, and special characters like and or whatever. So long passwords are also a good idea as they are hard to get. Never use your name or date or birth, your pet's name or anything that hackers can guess for your social media. Think
But
before you post. When you post a comment or photo on social media, it stays there forever. Even if you delete it from your account, don't post or share anything nasty or false. Too careful of friends' requests. Don't accept friend requests from people you don't know. Always tell your parents if someone you don't know sends you messages or want to chat with you. Do not click on any links they send you. Never share personal information with anyone. Be kind online. Cyberbullying is a big problem for young people. It's easier for bullies to post horrible messages online as they can hide behind a false name. Cyberbullying can happen anytime you are online, at home, at school, or out with friends. Tell an adult if someone is bullying you, and always be kind online.
literacy would pronounce it like S when it's spelled by I-E-O-Y. Cyber, cyberbullying. It's back to uh, beside. and and sign, علامة and sign, or dollar sign. Usually,
I talk about science and technology. Reader M1. Science and technology. So what's the difference? The main difference between science and technology is that they have different aims. The, okay. Science tries to increase our understanding of how the world and everything in it works. Technology tries to solve problems and help us to do things more efficiently. Happens. Why does this always happen next? It's about looking carefully and did I forget line, right?
technology tries to solve problems and help us to do things more effectively or efficiently. Science,
Yeah, that one I forgot it. Thank you. Science is about asking questions about the natural world. Questions: if this happens, why does this always happen next? It's about looking carefully and recording what we see. In science, when we believe something is true, we do tests to check our ideas. If we can use science to prove something, we know it is a fact. For example, we can do tests to show that at sea level, if fresh water cools to a temperature of 0 degrees Celsius, it always freezes into solid ice. Technology uses the information we learn from science to solve problems and find new ways to do things. Sometimes it does this by designing devices which can help us, like phones and computers. If you want to understand the relationship between science and technology, think about electricity. Many devices use electricity. We can design a new phone if we don't understand how electricity works. Science can explain this for us. In short, science is about understanding the world, but technology is about things to help the world.
what was the conclusion of the paragraph? So it was simple. It talks about what we were talking about, science and technology. So science is about understanding the world, but technology is about doing things to help the world. So, in conclusion, we can have the same ideas at the introduction. So, this is why sometimes we tell you when you want to know the title of the paragraph, the whole paragraph, you can read the last two sentence and the first two sentence, or maybe the last two sentence sometimes, some other times the first beginning of the paragraph. Paragraph has a conclusion and have an introduction. Introduction, that means we talk about, we give the idea what we are going to talk about in the whole paragraph. We are going to talk about technology and science. So this is the introduction. The conclusion, we talked about science and technology. So the main idea or title of the paragraph we can get from here, from the beginning or the conclusion. Number one, the architects, Lamar. The architect is the person who,
Design.
great.
His dash comment on my photo makes me angry. He's nasty. delete,
by request.
refuse,
So that mean in order to or because you want to chat with me. So that I should explain so that before to
accepted,
yes, to chat or because you wanted to chat with me. So we use that plus water.
water, freezes. It's easier for post horrible messages online. Bullies.
It's easy for someone to do something. It's the rule. The rule is freeze. One, that means for output. To do something. So the rule is to do something. Sometimes you can use doing something, but still, secondary school students, we use to do only secondary. You can inject egg or some number
That helps us to do jobs more quickly. Technology.
technology helps us to do jobs more quickly. Number seven, when you post a
Comment.
hour,
We use strong passwords to keep our accounts safe on social media.
you have to write your
You have to write your address to log on your account on social media. I think password?
password. Yeah. Amal was disappointed or frustrated because she couldn't achieve her
Aims. Dash means treating treating someone badly either online or through electronic messaging. Cyberbullying.
preparatory. Number 12. Is a person who uses computers to get hold of private information.
Hacker.
Lamar. This drink is a mix.
Is a mix of
It's a mix of. Number 14 is a mix of lemons and green apples.
Noha deleted some things from the shop list.
From, delete from, or remove from. Sometimes we use in something.
Dash your money safe.
Save, uh, okay, to keep or save. 16.
As a no.
Result of, yeah. As a result of giving up faith, Basim missed the bus. Lucy, how can I stay safe online?
How can I stay safe online? Choosing strong passwords can help you. What makes a password strong? The strong password is a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. How can I deal with friend requests? Don't accept friend requests from people you don't know.
Don't accept any friendship from anyone you don't know. Uh, you don't open any photo because some people insert a virus in the photo. When you open the photo, you will be under the violation of or under the hacker hacking. So don't open a link you don't know. Don't open a photo or any material that's sent by someone who you don't know. Lamar, which device do you think is the most important?
Which device do you think is the most important? I think phones are the most important. Why do you think phones are the most important? Because you use them for so many things. What's the difference between science and technology? Science is about understanding the world, while technology is about using understanding of the world.
The application of the science. Use the reason for or the reason why. This is the reason why I do something. This is the reason for doing something. For is a preposition followed by gerund or a noun. Why is followed by a sentence. We can answer, yeah, why. When someone asks me why, I can answer because, I can answer to, in order to, or so that. But to, so as to are followed by infinitive. So that is followed by a sentence contains can or can't, could or couldn't, and so on. Will or wouldn't. So the present, the future here means present here. If I use the past of will, would, or could here or might, so it is the sentence here is in the past. The zero conditional F. It's very simple. It's a very simple rule. If when other conjunction words are followed by present simple and preceded by present simple. Present simple or imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. If I use here imperative sentence or present simple, so the sentence after if is present simple or is present simple. If I use present simple after if, so the sentence before or after the comma is imperative sentence or maybe present simple. Either this or this. In this case, we are talking about facts. So when we talk about facts, we use the present simple after F and present simple before F, or after the comma will be also present simple. The, 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 the real rules tells me sometimes we use present simple or present perfect. Present perfect or present simple. So we use it present for the time being, according to the curriculum. يعني. وفقا للمنهج. So when we talk about fact, we can use sometimes can to build the ability to do something. When we talk about if, we say if clause. If clause mean the sentence directly after if. After was a sentence, we say it after clause. So it is the sentence comes directly after here, we call it clause. After clause, because the sentence here we call it because clause. كلمة كلوز يعني شبه جملة، شبه جملة because، شبه جملة if، شبه جملة after، شبه جملة that. So we have a sentence after all these conjunctions. If is conditional. If clause, main clause. Main clause can come before if or after a comma. The main clause comes in the present simple when we talk about facts. I wear a jacket. I wear present simple. A jacket if it is cold. Present simple. So we are talking about fact here. Or maybe sometimes habits, but not habits, not personal habits. Habits, I mean customs. The tablet switches off if you press this button. When we ask about if, sometimes we say what happens. What happens if? What happens if completion question mark? What happens? Or sometimes we can use does or can. If we can use uh, uh, the modal verb can to be the ability. Damar. If you
If you dash a lot of you learn more words. If you read,
can, so Damar.
what happens?
Damar.
If it rain, if
Rains.
it rains, if I go to bed late, I dash always tired. I am always tired the next morning.
Because this is an adjective, so I need the present symbol of it. That's right. Luigi, number 5.
If it dash rain for a long time, it can cause a drought. If it don't, no doesn't.
Answer. So adjot means dryness or جفاف. Dryness or جفاف اللي هو كلمة drought. Okay, number 6. Luigi.
You can hear video call better than dash. You wear your headphones.
Can you hear a video call better?
You can hear a video call if you
Wear your headphones. Okay. Uh, if you water a tree,
if you water a tree, it grows.
okay. Now we are talking in general, so it's a fact. If you water a tree, A tree, any شجرة in a tree grows. But if you water this, do you understand me?
Yeah.
If I said this tree, that means that I am not talking in general or about a fact. I am talking about something in particular, something specific thing. This thing, well, not generally talking. So I am predicting. So predicting, we use the first conditional, not the zero conditional. The zero conditional talks about facts, but the first conditional talks about action. All right. Number eight, Luigi. If I am sick,
If I'm sick, I'm going to the doctor.
I usually go to the doctor. Okay. Lamar.
Babies cannot sleep. What happens if you don't study?
I'm sorry.
She cannot see her computer if she didn't remember. Doesn't remember.
The password doesn't remember. Number two, feel.
Delete.
Um, ing and give it e at the end.
If you want a dessert, you can order one now.
Luigi, number four.
If I dash my glasses, I can see well. If I don't wear my glasses,
Done with. Number five.
if we recycle to the beach, it dash much quicker. It will. It dash quicker. Or it is.
South to the beach. It.
It is.
Oh, yeah. It is much quicker. I'm talking about facts. It is.
Uh,
If you add two and three,
you will get 5.
uh, you have the zero conditional textbook.
Yeah.
Some sentences are about zero conditional. We will not use will, but sometimes we can use can for the ability as a fact also.
Okay. If they dash to loud music, they get a headache. If they listen,
Tell me if you.
tell me if you have a problem with the machine. Have.
Okay.
Can we take page number 187 and 188 homework?
So we end now.
Yeah, homework.
Any
Okay.
other question?
No.
No, thank you.
See you.